I want to briefly talk about how to settle the mind when we are caught in patterns of worry, when the mind is obsessively thinking about what might happen, worst case scenarios. So, when we're really in a pattern of fear, pattern of negativity, and you can't get the mind to stop. So, what is happening there is that we are worried about what's to come. The mind is in the future. Our access point back into the present and back into what is actually happening in the present moment is through the body and through our senses. So, I want to invite you to bring yourself into the present moment by literally placing your hands on your body, reminding yourself you're here, you're in this body, and then see what's around you. So literally see the space that you're in. Feel the floor beneath you. Feel the temperature of the air on your skin. See if perhaps you can see the trees outside, the sun. Feel the air as it's passing in and out through your nostrils. Even notice the taste that's in your mouth. And so we're bringing ourselves from a place of uncertainty into a place of certainty. So, what is happening right here and now, in this moment, in your tangible environment? So, you're reminding yourself, you're bringing yourself back into a sense of safety. I'm here, I'm in my body, I'm in my breath, I'm sheltered, I'm clothed. And so that's a really great, quick technique to catch yourself when you're really on that downward spiral and come back, self regulate, come back present, come back to your breath, come back home.